always be remembered as the new beginning for the Indian drone industry. Hi, my name is Sasha and you're watching Drone Helpline. Let's dive into the top 20 drone news for the month of July. Ministry of Civil Aviation gets a young, fresh and dynamic leadership under Jyotiraditya Scindia to take forward the needs of the country in the context of New India. Through the perspective of the drone industry, he is believed to bring in new energy and new ideas to turn India into the drone hub of the world. Furthering hope and new energy to the Indian drone industry, MoCA is all set up to publish the Simplified New Drone Rules 2021 by August 15. On July 15, the ministry released the updated Drone Rules 2021 for public consultation, the deadline for which ended on August 5. Check out our detailed video on the draft Drone Rules 2021, and to find more, link is provided in the description box below. DGCA has recently granted approval for the use of drones to the Ministry of Urban Affairs, Viscraft and KLM Power for live project review of new housing projects by Honorable Prime Minister at 6 different locations. SkyLark Drones has raised $3 million in a pre-series A funding round to strengthen its product offering and fuel international expansion. The funding round was co-led by InfoEdge Ventures and IAN with participation from Advent Edge founders Fowler Westrub, Red Start Labs IKP and Winson Group. Mahanadi Coalfields has received approval to deploy drones from Sagar Defense for mapping and survey of coal mines. Japanese drone developer ACSL will establish a joint venture in India with local startup Aeroarc to manufacture and sell drones for industrial use. Under the new leadership of Piyush Goyal, the Textile Ministry adopts drone technology to tackle land encroachment. National Textile Corporation Limited conducted a pilot drone survey and extracted land mapping of 5 mills, which they found to be quite effective when compared with old records. Kerala Police Chief Anil Khan said that the state police will set up a drone research laboratory to address the latest security threats posed by the drones. Trentar Private Limited, a subsidiary of Dorf Kettle Chemicals, has acquired a controlling stake in drone-based service provider Garuda UAV. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare has invited comments on the draft SOP for the use of drones for pesticide spraying in agriculture, forestry and non-cropped areas. DJI hopes to be a part of exciting drone chapter in India with new Drone Rules 2021 coming in. Now coming to some news from the counter drone industry. The Jammu and Kashmir police have shot down a drone carrying improvised explosive device IED material weighing 5 kg in border belt of Jammu and Kashmir this month. As per Economic Times, India has an estimated over 6 lakh rogue or unregulated drones. Security agencies are analyzing modern counter-drone weapons to counter security threats by these aerial platforms. According to sources, Israel's ELTA Systems Group is delivering dozens of counter-drone systems to a country in South Asia, likely to be India, in a closed-door deal worth tens of millions of dollars. To ramp up the security in the national capital ahead of Independence Day, Delhi police bans flying of drones, UAVs, quadcopters and other aerial objects till August 16. Indian Air Force expedited procurement of 10 counter-drone systems to detect, track, identify, designate and neutralize hostile drones from Indian vendors by releasing RFI. The Indian Navy has warned against flying drones within 3 kilometers of naval installations, stating that such devices would be neutralized and the operators would be prosecuted. Amit Shah has stated that BSF will soon be equipped with the anti-drone solutions to counter smuggling of drugs, arms and explosions through drones. SSB personnel have seized 8 Chinese-made drones and an equal number of cameras from a car on Nepal border in East Champaran district this month. With Neeraj Chopra making history and India ending its Olympic campaign with the best ever figures, we leave you with the spectacular visuals of Intel Drone Light Show that helped bring Tokyo 2020 to life. So friends, on a positive note, we come to the end of this month's Drone News Express. To get more updates, follow our Drone Helpline Facebook and LinkedIn page. Link is provided in our description box below. You can also provide us with your views, ideas, and feedback. Thank you for watching. Do like our video and do not forget to share and subscribe to our Drone Helpline YouTube channel.